Howdy y'all, welcome back to Camshack Productions. Today I want to talk about this. This is the Readywise emergency food supply. It is 132 servings for $63.99 and you can pick this up at your local Costco. I was super curious about this because again, I'm not sure how many servings this actually is, what they come in, how much water it's going to take. So my thought for today's video is that I'm going to break this thing open and we are going to see exactly what's inside of this thing. So, all right. Very first thing you're going to see is this is the preparation instructions, which will be important. I'm going to look at this off camera so I can get exactly how much water we need. And it's broken down by sides, desserts, drinks, entrees, breakfast, and meat. So instructions come in here. So let me show you guys what I mean. You can see that these are all broken down into individual packaged meals. And let's see. So this is the cheesy macaroni, and this is 6 of those 132 servings. So that's what I was curious about. This is quite a large amount. So it says, pour contents of package into 5 cups of water and mix well. Boil. Bring to a boil, stirring often and simmering for 15 to 20 minutes. Cool, let stand for 2 to 3 minutes. So just this one package will require 5 cups of water. You need to bring that water to a boil, which will take about 12 to 15 minutes. And then you need to let it cook for an additional 15 to 20 minutes. So you're looking at 30 minutes of fuel time. Probably at a pretty high, I mean, you know, you're cooking it pretty fast, and you need 5 cups. And each one of these servings is 260 calories. So I'm just gonna go through these really quick and we'll show you guys what's in here. You've got pasta also, let's see, pasta Alfredo also takes 6 cups of water, 15 to 20 minutes after it brings to a boil. You've got, teriyaki rice, 6 cups of water, bring to a boil, 15-20 minutes. So let's see, this is tomato basil soup with pasta, 6 cups of water, 12 to 15 minutes. So I think we're seeing a theme here. 6 cups of water, 15-20 minutes. These are basically all of the dinners. Southwest rice and beans. So I'm going to have to look at the instructions, I believe, on this. So let's find it. Okay, guys, I can't find this on here. So I'll find this, but this is Southwest rice and beans, 6 servings. I mean, I don't know if this was like a, oops, we ran out of packages or what. It looks like there's a couple more. These are barbecue beans. This is 4 cups of water, so a little bit less water, and 15 to 20 minutes after you bring it to a boil. This is vanilla pudding. So this is just 2 cups of cold water. So this one is actually, I mean, again, 2 cups though, that's a reasonable amount. This is the whey milk alternative. Breakfast meat. Sorry, I'm trying to do this fast, you guys. Whey milk alternative. Combine 2 teaspoons of whey milk with 1/4 cup of room temperature water. So this you have to measure out into teaspoons and put into your own water. So you would get some milk out of that. I guess you can kind of dilute it. Creamy pasta and vegetables, 6 cups of water, 15 to 20 minutes. There's so much in here though. I do have to say it is a lot of food. This is creamy pasta and vegetables, 6 cups of water, 15 to 20 minutes. We just did a creamy pasta. This is apple cinnamon cereal. This is 4 cups of water. Bring to a boil, 12 to 15 minutes. Apple cinnamon cereal, same thing. Brown sugar and maple multigrain cereal, 5 cups of water. Bring to a boil, simmer 12 to 15 minutes. It's an exceptional amount of fuel. Same thing, brown sugar. And here's the thing, I don't really think that your orange drink mix, so this is just combine 2 tablespoons of orange drink mix with 1 cup of water. Full pouch combined contains drink mix, which a gallon of drink mix, so you can make a gallon of that. And the last meal that's in here is orange drink mix. So you do get a lot of different stuff, but I think overall you are going to end up getting things that are 200 calories per servings, because again, this is 6 servings for this. So you're supposed to be able to feed 6 people. So if you have a huge family, but that is so much time in fuel and so much water. I mean, 5 cups of water, I'll do the math here and I'll give that to you, but it's just an exceptional amount. And I think that there are way easier things that don't require simmering for 15 to 20 minutes and don't require 6 cups of water. I mean, that's a cup of water per serving. So you're looking at quite a bit of liquid there. I think if you have a 50-gallon container of water and unlimited propane or fuel, maybe, but I think this is definitely something to think about. So I'm going to look at this stuff. I want to do a little comparison, and I'll come back here with my final thoughts of whether I think this is worth it or not for you. All right, y'all. So I did a little math on everything here. And to do all of these without the orange mix and the milk involved, you are looking at 4.56 gallons of water. So think about your standard camping jug, the blue jug that you see at every big box store, that's 5 gallons. So one of those would be enough to make all of these meals. And there are quite a few of them, and they are 6 servings. So they are bigger meals. But again, you do all of that at once, or you have to kind of break it out and weigh it out and measure it out. So you better have measuring cups if a disaster hits inside of this bag with them, or you got to make them all that way. So basically 5 gallons of water to do all of this. So I want to share that in comparison. And each one of these, is again running around 160 to about 180 calories per serving. So just to give you a couple quick examples, this is Mountain House. These are super easy backpacking meals. You can actually cold soak most of these, which means you don't have to use a bunch of fuel. Because again, each one of these, you have to bring to a boil and then simmer for 12 to 15 minutes. That's a ton of fuel. With this, the preparation instructions are very simple. Remove the air package, add 1.5 cups of water, stir, close, wait 5 minutes, stir again, wait 4 minutes. So all you have to do is pour boiling water into this. And that is 220 calories or 440 for the whole package, because this is 2 servings. And if you've ever been on a backpack trip and tried to eat all 2 of these, you know how difficult that can be unless you are really, really hungry. This is about $2 at your local grocery store. You can get these at Costco in huge packages, and this is 430 calories. And you've got to add, I would imagine this is about 1.5 cups of water as well. But this is something that you just add boiling water to and let it sit, and you get it. No simmer time. Mac and cheese, these little Cheetos mac and cheese cups, this is 240 calories. So a double that 160 basically, right? This, I would say, takes about 1 cup of water. If that, these can also be cold soaked. You can also cook these inside of a Ziploc bag. I've done that in past videos. And I think that these make a great little meal. They taste better than most of this freeze-dried stuff. So does this. All right. So, ramen noodles. Baby, these come in at 380 calories. You can get these for 99 cents. So you can get a whole stash, a whole flat of ramen noodles for probably about $15. And if you got like 4 of them, you would be set for several months. And these are also something that you can cold soak. Now the instructions say 2 cups of water when you boil it, right? You don't have to do that. You can use minimal water. You can just let these sit in the water for about an hour, hour and a half, and you have noodles that you can eat. The sauce doesn't mix very well unless you heat up the water, the little flavor packet, but you get the noodles. So you can utilize these. These are super simple. Again, even if you just take boiling water, pour it on the top of them and let them sit, you'll get noodles out of it. Or something like this. These are just shredded potatoes. Again, you can cold soak these. It takes about a cup of water, and I can't find the calorie count on these, but from what I remember for the main box, it's about 200, 225 calories. So all of these options actually have more calories, take less water, and less time to cook. Or you could go with the old favorite. This is a can of Spam. There are 6 servings in here, and this is 1,080 calories. Do not sell yourself short on Spam. This stuff stays good for quite a while. You can put it in buckets, and it's in a tin can. The tin can can also be used later for other things. And it is a ton of calories. You can cut it up, fry it up for about 2 minutes, which is way less time than 12 to 15 minutes. So do I think overall that the Readywise is worth it? Probably not. I mean, unless again, you have 50 gallons of water stored, you've got a bunker, you've got a ton of fuel, you've got a ton of cooking fuel, or you've got a huge propane tank someplace. I don't really see how this would be super easy survival food. You've got to cook it, simmer it, let it sit. You can buy soups at Walmart that do the same thing. Now, if you have all of those things, great. If you're going camping and you want to just minimize your food and you want to try something like this might be good. I mean, you could easily take your family out and have a nice weekend full of nothing but freeze-dried meals. It's not going to be very good. So y'all, I think that, you can see all of the different stuff that comes inside of this. You can see all the different meals, but it takes a lot of water. It takes a lot of fuel. So I would suggest passing on this and just picking up a bunch of ramen noodles. Go to Costco. I think you can get like 8 or 10 of these for like, it has gone up. It's like 20 bucks now, maybe 25. For a little while there, it was like 10, 12 bucks. But 99 cents a package, $3 a package, and you can go get these again in huge packages at Walmart. I think all of these would be an actually better option. And I mean, the nutritional value in these things really is sodium, carbohydrates, fibers, saturated fats. I mean, there's very little much of anything else. There's some potassium in this, like we're talking like 6%, 8%, so these again are freeze-dried dehydrated meals, just like these, just like this. And these are about 10 bucks a pop. So you could stack a bunch of these and they would get you through a few days, so overall, I would say skip it, but if you really want to get one, go pick one up from Costco. Y'all, thank you for making it this far. Please go down and hit the like button if you're feeling super generous, subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you all back in the next video. I'm going to cook one of these. We're going to taste test it for the next video and see how it actually tastes, but I need some people to actually test it with me. So again, go down, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Otherwise, we'll see you back later. All right, be well, my friends. Not bad.